What's going on, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. I have here the Combat Troodon Double Edge mirror polished with carbon fiber inlay from Marfione Custom Knives. Here's the metal COA that it comes with. This one's serial number 23. All the Marfione Customs come with this metal plate. Beautiful mirror polished double edge blade. And you can see the carbon fiber inlay right there in the center. See if I can get that to focus. And it's on both sides. Beautiful, beautiful blade. Hefted anodized aluminum handle. This one has DLC ringed hardware. Of course, it's got the Marfione logo and the date of birth there. Glass breaker. I have one of these left right now. Combat Troodon from Marfione Custom Knives, and they always come with the carbon fiber magnetic box, cleaning cloth that has the Marfione Dagger logo, little soft pouch, and then it comes with the zippered pouch that's got the velcro titanium dagger patch. So there you go, guys. Marfione Custom Combat Troodon Double Edge in mirror polish and carbon fiber inlay. EKNIVES.com. Call or text me 423-525-9477. Appreciate it, guys.